Today on CJ Off-Road, we've been waiting a long time for these to come out, but the Mopar Performance LED fog lights for your brand new JL Wrangler are finally available. Now, I've taken the liberty of installing them into our Fishbone off-road bumper, and these things are absolutely gorgeous. They are a factory option if you get the LED package. However, if you don't, you will have to buy these separately. They were on a back order for almost a year now, so to finally be able to buy them is a really great thing for all of you 2018 and 19 JL owners, as well as you 2020 Gladiator owners. These are a direct plug and play for any Jeep Wrangler 2018 and newer. Whether you have the LED package or not, they'll plug right in and work with your Jeep Wrangler. These are going to increase the light output, plus it gives you a nice, clean, crisp cutoff line when you're out on the trail or on a dusty road at night. It'll really optimize the lighting capabilities of your Jeep Wrangler, and if you decide to swap your headlights to an LED, it'll match them perfectly. Now, if you want to order these or find out more information about them, be sure to visit us at cjponyparts.com.